Hello, this is Mary Lynn Van Sweeten with Partners in Technology. This video is going to show you the credit card transfer functionality in Sage 100. On screen, we're looking at Sage 100 2018. The American Express credit card vendor has been selected, and you'll notice the checkbox indicating credit card vendor has been checked. In doing so, it will create additional functionality for this vendor in Invoice Data Entry. Let's take a look. I've received a statement from my vendor for $4,000. When I come to the Lines tab, I have a default account number selected on the vendor, but I'm going to remove this line. You'll notice I have a new icon here. When I click on this icon, I'm going to be able to select invoices that are on another vendor's account and transfer the balance to this account. The one on the vendor is going to show as paid. I'm going to select a second vendor, transfer that balance, and then for my remaining $425, I'm going to charge it to an expense account. Let's update this and see what happens. On my register, you're going to see something a little different from your normal register. You'll see here that here's my statement, and you're going to be able to see that I am transferring balances, and here's the invoice, here's the vendor, and the amount that's being transferred. It's worthwhile to note that I don't need to transfer the entire invoice balance. I do have an option to only take a portion of it. Then I also have a GL account number that's being charged for truck expenses, and here's my $425. So let's update this register and see what happens. The daily transaction register, a lot of it's just going between accounts payable accounts because that's all I'm doing. No new expense has been recorded except for my $425 and $100 from another invoice. If we go into vendor maintenance, and I'm going to go to the Airway properties, let's go find our invoice that we were looking at, which is the one right on top here. You'll notice that this invoice is being showed as paid. Here's the payment amount, and you'll see that the check number begins with a C. The C indicates that it was paid for on a credit card transfer. My vendor has been satisfied here. If I go to American Express, you'll see that I have a new invoice here for my statement. My invoice register that I've saved to Paperless Office will give me the details of this statement. Try it out for yourself. See if you like it. I'd like to know. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Each time we post a new video, you'll be notified.